How AI is going to take over education. The world is changing rapidly around us. As days pass by, it is getting more difficult to keep up with the innovations that could alter things as we now know it. The introduction of AI or artificial intelligence is a step that is creating waves in technology. One particular area that is going to be tremendously influenced by the introduction of AI is the field of education. It is time that educational institutions take advantage of technological advancements and modify their environments accordingly. With the current speed that everything has been updating and adapting, it won't be long before we see AI playing a huge role in teaching. Here is how AI is going to influence schools and universities to shape the future. For decades, our system of education has been confined to be inside the four walls of a classroom. While smart learning is being introduced and popular companies are releasing tablets targeted at students, the system has not entirely adapted to taking it further. With AI, learning would be more interactive with all the benefits of a full-fledged technology-aided environment. Anywhere or anytime, students can learn new things and interact with new learning ecosystems. An excellent example of such training is the hybrid online face-to-face lessons. It is high time that each student receives an education that brings out his or her best attributes and helps focus on their worst. Universities can now use AI to come up with personal algorithms that suit a particular student considering their requirements. Nor do people have the same skill set and orientation. So, this personalized adaptive learning is something that universities should have taken up long back. Now that we have the intelligence to work this out for any number of students, the day that a personalized module would be implemented is fast approaching. On the same page of smart classrooms, AI has enabled it to be extended outside to cater to the whole campus. When you understand it, it might sound too simple. But the effect could be gratifying when you can actually connect to all systems instead of going through your school admin authorities for every single thing. Anything from class schedules, attendance, and assignments would be automated, notifying and updating the students. In required circumstances, even the assigned guardians would be notified. So we can safely say that gone is the time when you could fake your parents' signature on your report cards. It was not always that a teacher could know whether they were getting through to the students or whether the course quality is being accommodated well. It is the same vice versa, where students were hesitant to approach their teachers to get feedback. This mindful monitoring using AI will help teachers to note if students are facing challenges and recommend them to get guidance from professional writers to get ahead in their performances. This could help them remarkably to save time and get the assistance required from outside resources. Now with AI, both parties can get comfortable in providing immediate feedback and keeping up to date with the school systems. This also enables teachers to know how students are receiving the education and if there is any scope for improvement. Universities across the world are working with software development companies to come up with their own virtual assistants. This could make things much easier for any student or parent to access information about anything that should be in the school system. Virtual assistants could also be employed in teaching techniques to assist students not only in studies but also as an advisory. This integration could bring enormous changes in a positive manner to identify the difficulties faced by students. At the current pace technology is advancing, AI can easily replicate human manners and behaviors that would even make a virtual assistant perform the tasks of a school counselor. The field of AI is still evolving, and there could be many more ways in the future that it could help us reimagine education. It is quite a wonder that AI has the ability to redirect the wandering mind of a student just by keeping track of the activities on a smart device. However, as long as we use it wisely and do not invade privacies, AI could help the entire system to reshape learning. In fact, we already see signs of AI integration in many schools and campuses. In the coming year, more and more schools are to be expected to adopt AI's aid and change their approach to education. It is only a matter of time before we integrate our entire lives with artificial intelligence. Do you think AI would be helpful in present education system? Let us know in the comments section and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.